back like we never left. What is good, everybody? If you are new to the channel, allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Weav, and here on my channel, we coach you on 3 critical aspects of your life. First, on your personal growth and development. Second, we help to continue your path towards professional success as you navigate through your journey in business and entrepreneurship. Third, we always help you to build, maintain, and nurture long, lasting, and more meaningful relationships. Today, we discuss something important to both your personal and professional growth in life, and that is building confidence and self-esteem. Now, I don't like to waste time. That's just how I am, and I'm ready to get into it, so let's do that right now. You know, a flower doesn't think about competing with a flower that's next to it. It just blooms. So what happens when you feel down and out? When you are frustrated with your career? When you are broken by a relationship? When you hit tough times in your life? It affects your confidence and your self-esteem, right? We lose some sort of optimistic light that we might have once had. We begin to let a little bit of doubt creep in. And low self-esteem can be deeply rooted as well, and can go back potentially to you having a rough childhood and experiences with neglect or emotional or physical abuse. And as we age later into our life, self-esteem can be crippled by negative life events like losing your job or getting a divorce, even unhealthy and frustrating relationships in your personal life. And that also affects our views on our direction, on where we're headed, right? Because now that assuredness we used to carry, that mindset of nothing can stop me, it begins to get a little bit fuzzy. You know, sometimes in life, I think that we believe that we see the other successes that people have had in their life in overcoming their circumstances, and we believe that they just got the luck of the draw. We think, oh, well, they just had perfect timing. They had a connection that helped them get there. They had more support than I did. But most of the time, it was because they stuck with it. Sometimes it is as simple as being able to keep going through life, even when you feel like you've been dealt a bad hand in this life. So question for you, when you look at your life and the tough times you have made it through, what exactly do you see? Because confidence and self-esteem is about how you look at yourself. It's how you feel about yourself. And I mean that literally. What exactly do you see in the mirror every day? How do you feel about the person that you see? How happy are you just to be alive? How appreciative are you of the things that you do have? Also, and this is extremely important, how much control over your life do you believe that you actually have? Because to me, that's the big missing piece. See, we get in this mode where we feel stuck because we start believing, well, I don't really have a choice. I have to do it this way. I have to work this job. I have to stay in this unhappy relationship. I have to stay in this neighborhood that I grew up in. And do you want to know why? Because we're afraid. We're afraid of what could happen, afraid that it won't work out, afraid of all of the unknowns that you have no answers to right now. And hell yeah, that's scary, right? The thought that you may go try something new and it may not work out for you. And it causes anxious feelings just thinking about it, because human nature tells us that once we find something good, we should just stick with it. But all this goes back to your self-esteem, to how you truly feel and think about yourself. This is all how you view your skills, the talents that you possess, and just your life from a macro perspective. And it reflects on how you live your life and if you will truly be willing to take chances. Because when you have unshakable confidence and self-esteem, you know that you can't lose. You either will win or you will learn from this experience. And when you can take that mindset into the new phases of your life that scare you, then you begin to gain power. Power of your mindset, power of your circumstances. More importantly, power of your future and the direction you truly want to go in. But since you can't just go buy confidence off of a shelf at your local grocery store, you have to learn and respect the process it will take for you to develop it. When you don't feel great about yourself, but you begin to learn that those issues run deeper than just how you currently are living your life, you can then start to self-assess how to fix the way you view your life and how you feel about yourself moving forward. But we have to start with you not being so damn hard on yourself and realizing that it's not too late to make adjustments. It's not too late to gain, or in some instances, regain your confidence. And you can start today. You can start using affirmations about you, about your appearance, about your past, about your future, just about your inner greatness, and about how far you have come, about your new outlook and lease on life. There is time to change your own perception, to build the confidence to accomplish great things in your life, but it starts up here. And no, it's not going to be overnight. Some days will be better than others. But how you talk to yourself on those bad days will be the difference that makes the difference. Remember this journey of building, you're personally on this journey. And while there will be setbacks along the way, you still got you. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out the video today. And if no one has told you this already today, I appreciate you. If you are new to the channel, thank you for swinging by today. Become official to the squad by hitting that subscribe button, share the video, like and comment down below. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired, and as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.